Saudi Arabia says Jamal Khashoggi has died. The country said it has fired 2 senior officials over the incident that has provoked international outcry. A statement from the Saudi public prosecutor said a fight broke out between Khashoggi and people who met him in a consulate and that this led to his death. The statement said investigations are still underway. Saturday's comments marked the first time since Khashoggi went missing that Saudis admitted to his death. The White House said it's saddened by the news but made no mention of action against the U.S. ally.